Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video. In today's video, we will discuss how to add new items in Python dictionary. So we can add an item to Python dictionary by using a new index key and assigning a value to it. So basically, we will use a function for this which will help us to add new items in the Python dictionary. So as we see in this example, we will add red color in this dictionary. So we will use this function to add new item or new color in the dictionary. Before that, we have three inputs: brand, model, and year. And when we will add color, it will also show in the output. So after adding new item, how this dictionary will be updated? The dictionary will be updated by using update method, which will update the dictionary with the items from the given item. So this function will update the dictionary by adding new items. So here is that example again. So in this example, we have used this update function to update dictionary with the new item, which is color red. So that was today's video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.